Unboxing and first look of the AC Island wireless charger 5-in-1. Let's go ahead and open it. So obviously we do get our little pamphlet here, which I'm sure you don't care about. It does come in a really, really nice little carry case. I wasn't expecting that. That is super cool. Let's go ahead and pop it on open right here. So we do get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable right here, just in case you're wondering if you don't have any of those. Another little user manual pamphlet. We do get the charging block, which is a USB-C charging block. And if you want to see the information of that, there you go. Very nice. And let's go ahead and have a look at the actual stand itself. Very heavy, so like it feels like good quality. That's what I always say. If it's heavy, it's quality. We'll take it out. You can see this one is the black variation. Comes in 4 different colors in total. And when we stand it up, so it's got that good weight on the bottom right here, so you know it's not going to fall over or anything like that. And then it flips right up. And then you can put your phone right on here. It magnetically goes on there. We have the little piece back here, which is your watch charger, which you can put your watch right onto there. And then this little piece right here is so that there's an indentation for it to fold your watch piece in just like that. And then when you have the bottom open, you can see this little area, which you can use to charge your nice little AirPods right there. And then in the front, we do have 2 USB-Cs, which this little sticker is right here. Let's take that sticker off. So we can have the USB-A and a USB-C on the front for output for charging other devices if you connect other cables to it. But it stands up very nicely, even when you can see how far I have it back. And this is very strong in the front. It does not fall over or anything like that, unless, like if you put weight on here, sure, that's going to fall over, but I'm surprised that it stays up nicely. But you just put your phone just right here, you charge it, you have your AirPods right down there, you have your watch back here. It's a really, really nice device, and you're going to absolutely love this.